Hey everybody, Foothill Mo here, and we are going to do a headlight review on the Rimthin Brighter, Safer, Smarter lighting system. So are you trying to get more reach out of your lights at night? I have Woodstock, my 2004 Honda Element that's been in my family since it was new, and we are going to try different headlights in here. So we're going to do a little mashup of how to change your bulbs, what you need, gloves, and your bulbs. So other than that, let's get started. All right, so here is our before. We are going to pop the hood and install the Rimthin lights. Now, just to show you what they have going on here, and we will do a bulb comparison. Everything that comes in this box, you have your instruction manual, and then you have the lights themselves. All right, now when you have a Honda Element and you're replacing the lights, for the driver's side, you do have to give this a pinch and a wiggle. Oh, but my hands are not strong enough yet, so I have to tag in the cameraman. Pause. Once you tag in the cameraman, give that a little wiggle. He's got more strength in his hands than I do to get that out of the way. Now, if you come in here a little bit more, you're going to see we have this rubber stopper in here, and it's got this little tab. I'm not sure if you can see that right there. So this is what we're going to give a little pull to, and this is going to open up our housing for us. Yes, I know it's dirty in here. Sorry, Woodstock. And then here is the back of our light, okay? Now there is let's move this out of our way. So now that we have our part out of the way that brings all the electricity to the bulb, there is a little metal piece in here. So I'm going to reach in. So now that we have our electrical component out of the way, right inside here, there is a little metal, like, I don't know, thickness of a paper clip that you're just going to lift up on with your finger and pull that out of the way. Now that is going to help your bulb come out. All right. Now our next step, slightly pull this bulb out, give it a nice little wiggle, and there you go. Perfect. All right, so now here is the bulb that we are taking out of Woodstock. This is what we are using. So now what you can see, the difference between a standard bulb that you would get at your parts store versus an LED bulb with a cooling fan that we are going to replace right now. All right, now to put the bulb in, just reverse the steps that we went over a second ago, and you can clearly see the difference between the LED bulb and the regular. Now, I forgot to go over, wear gloves, don't touch the bulbs themselves. You always want to touch the casing around them. So we are going to go ahead and do the other side next. All right, so this is with both headlights replaced. You're going to repeat the process that I showed on the driver's side for the passenger side, and then reverse that to go ahead and put them in. These are so nice and bright. Like, I can't wait to go on an adventure and take Chip places. Shop dog, your car has lights. So yeah, if you have any questions, leave them in the comments, and then I'll go ahead and update as we go on adventures.
Wow, these things are so much brighter over the stock ones.
You want to see something cool? Ciao! How awesome
Holy
is that?
smokes, we got x-ray vision.
Oh my gosh, I am not used to being able to see this well in this car.
No, not at all. Her old headlights were like not even on, sitting in the driver's seat.
Oh yeah.
That's how dim they are.
Oh my gosh. I can see the trailer down at the end. This is awesome.
Right on. These are amazing.
Oh my god, it actually highlights the stop sign down there. Look at that.
Nice. You can actually see where you're going in this car now.
I don't think I'm afraid to drive at night anymore. Oh, so bright. That's so awesome. All right, so this is our low beam. There is our high beam. Look at that difference. Heck yeah. Love it.